Hi, this is Clint. So for my recent Brazil trip, I went to Rio de Janeiro, Iguazu Falls, and my final stop was Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is a huge city. In fact, it's the biggest city in all of South America. Now, if you're flying into Sao Paulo, there's a super convenient train that connects right to the city's metro subway station, all on the same single fare. Isn't that great? So I use the same metro system to get everywhere around the city. Here are some of the sights that I saw when I was in Sao Paulo. Today I made it to the famous Mercado, the municipal Mercado in Sao Paulo. I'll tell you, it was quite an adventure. I took the metro, and the area around the Mercado, some people might say it's kind of sketchy, but it's actually just chaotic. There's a lot of people milling about, a lot of vendors, a lot of military police, so I didn't feel all that scared or anything. But I kept my phone in my pocket and my hand in my pocket, just in case. But anyways, I made it to Mercado. You see some of the footage, but I'm really here to try the famous sandwich. What's it called? It's the mortadella sandwich.
And I'm trying to find a job, but it just keeps getting tougher every day. But I got to do my part, cause I know in my heart I got to please my sweet baby, yeah. Well, I ain't superstitious and I don't get suspicious, but my woman is a friend of mine. And I know that it's true, that all the things that I do will come back to me in my sweet time.
So a lot of travel videos for Sao Paulo will tell you to come to Paulista Avenue, which is like the main city street. Well, I'm on Paulista right now. And you know what? It's just like downtown Toronto to me. There's really nothing here except big buildings. So for me, this is a total miss. However, having said that, I did get free tickets on a Tuesday to check out this art museum. MASP is called. It's got some long name to it, so I'll check that out, and it's right in the middle of Paulista Avenue. So I'm walking there now, but really the rest of it, nothing of interest to me. Just a big city street. Well, here's the museum, the art museum I got free tickets for. Pretty interesting looking building. We'll check it out.
So keep on rocking me, baby. 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 All the way to Tacoma, Philadelphia, Atlanta, LA. Northern California, where the boys are warm, so I could be with my sweet baby.
So I'm here at one of Sao Paulo's main tourist attractions. It's a little alley called Batman Alley, or Beco do Batman. So basically it started out with somebody putting up a graffiti artwork of Batman, and then it expanded from here, so you can see some Superman stuff.
Keep on rocking me, baby. 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 Atlanta, LA.
So for me, and this is my opinion, I didn't feel Sao Paulo was all that great in terms of tourist attractions. Definitely no natural scenery, nothing like Iguazu Falls nor Rio de Janeiro. Instead, Sao Paulo is more like a cultural center, a business center. And in terms of culture, I'm talking about food, I'm talking about art. After all, it's a big city. And with a big city, you can expect better infrastructure like hotels, accommodations, and transportation compared to a place like Rio de Janeiro. Because remember, in Sao Paulo, we had that direct connection with the train right into the city. We didn't get that for Rio. And a lot of the accommodations are going to be better than the ones in Rio. But again, there's maybe not as much to see, but there is culture there. For a lot of us, Sao Paulo is also going to be the main transportation and travel hub in and out of Brazil. Now, I'm from Canada. I fly from Toronto. And for us, there's a direct flight between Toronto and Sao Paulo all year round. Not so much for Rio de Janeiro. For direct flights to Rio from Canada, it's only on a seasonal basis. So for my future trips to Brazil, and I will go back because it's a big country and there are other areas I would like to see, I'm probably going to have to go through Sao Paulo again. And I don't mind spending 1, 2, maybe even 3 days there every time, and just to take in a little bit more culture.